In this tutorial, we will briefly look at the statistics in the GPA app. Every time I practice an element, meaning a flashcard, a combination exercise, or a picture description, the app saves whether I answered it correctly or incorrectly. Based on this, my success rate is calculated, which helps me focus on practicing exactly the elements I am not yet good at. In the statistics, I can see all of this data. I can access the statistics by tapping either on the iceberg or on the daily streak on the home screen. Then, on the far left, I see the dashboard. In the dashboard, there is the Hall of Fame. Here I can see all the achievements I have already earned and also which ones are still missing. Below that, I see the history of my success rate for each day. This gives me a great overview and allows me to clearly see how well my last days or even the past year have been. If I tap on the iceberg at the top, I enter the large iceberg view. Here there are many functions for practicing. If you are not familiar with them yet, make sure to watch the tutorial about the iceberg, where I explain every detail. The next section is the learning times. This is an interesting statistic that shows me at what time of day I achieved the best results. At the bottom, I can also see on which days I practiced how many elements. On the far right, under Numbers, I now see an overview of many interesting statistics, for example, my overall success rate or how many answers I got correct and incorrect. Also, feel free to tap the question mark at the top to read the help text and learn more about the statistics page. Enjoy exploring and learning with the GPA app.